This first video of the series called Quick Steps to Process Design will introduce you to the three main benefits of a particular process modeling technique named process normal form. There are three reasons to learn PNF process modeling. First, with PNF, you will increase your process design skills because you will immediately find the optimal solution. You will increase your enterprise and data modeling skills since you will effortlessly obtain the optimal database. And finally, you will understand why PNF is such an effective tool to organize your business process analysis meetings. You will increase your process design skills because a single PNF model supports all steps from design to optimization, programming activities and procedures, running the process, and clearly identify key performance indicators. In addition, you will have at your disposal several techniques that will allow you to conquer complexity. The more complex the problem, the more you will benefit from the power of PNF. You will increase your enterprise and data modeling skills. If you have this skill, you'll be astonished to discover that it's simpler to first design a process and then derive the database from it. If you don't have this skill, don't worry, you will learn how to design a perfect one on your first try. Since this attribute of PNF is a key advantage, we give now a brief explanation of it. Why this name PNF? This process model is named PNF because it can be translated into a fifth normal form database. Yes, you heard it right. A process can be translated into a data model. Of course, this can seem paradoxical. How a process can be equivalent to a database model. I myself was surprised when I discovered this, and I can very well understand the question you may have. However, you'll get the answers and be capable of clearly understand how something like this is possible in this series of videos. Let's see this on a small example. Here is a very simple purchase process in PNF, which will be more fully analyzed in one of the upcoming videos. Running this process, you can see orders circulating on the red flow and deliveries on the black flow. We've represented only part of the process and without any activity. Here is the database model obtained from the previous description. Without going into detail, here is how the process is translated into data. First step, objects generate entities. Second step, flows generate relations. If you are interested in the translation algorithm, a more technical video will be devoted to this topic. The technique you will learn is more powerful than the relational database design and at the same time easier to use. The third main benefit is an understanding of why PNF modeling is so powerful. What is the meaning of a normal form? The normal form for databases has been built on mathematical foundations which have been translated in specific rules. These rules guarantee that the database don't have any redundancy nor inconsistency. The same goes for PNF processes. They are built on almost the same mathematics and possess the same properties of rigor and simplicity to deliver simple and optimal processes. You might be wondering if you need to learn these mathematics. The answer is no. And this is because we have concurrently created a graphical editor which automates the mathematical foundation. This way, you can visually design processes which are 100% compliant with the PNF normal form rules without having to worry about the mathematics. In this editor, you start by drawing a line from the flow starting point to its arrival point. Flow transit point may be placed on an object, either on its left side or right side. The direction of each flow is automatically set by the editor in compliance with the process normal form. In the same way, one may add other transit points on the flow path. As a synthesis, we will recall the three benefits of the PNF form. With process normal form, you will increase your process design skills because you will immediately find the optimal solution. You will increase your enterprise and data modeling skills since you will effortlessly obtain the optimum database. Finally, you will understand why PNF is such an effective tool to organize your business process analysis meetings. After this first overview of process normal form, each of the following videos will present one basic principle and benefit of process normalization. We will discuss the following topics: how to design and program a very simple process, then how a process translates into a data and class model, how to build an overall process view with a fishbone diagram, and how to easily derive key performance indicators. We will see some case studies, mainly in business process modeling, but also in real-time processes like ATM control or lift control. The next video will take you into a bit more detail about the process of pizza shop. I am looking for people to discuss on the subject, so leave me a comment. I will answer all questions. To make sure you do not miss anything in this series, subscribe to my channel. Thank you in advance. And do not forget, learn to be simple and optimal.